This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of the VCAA 2017 Exam 2. Question number 3C. So we have this butterfly pendant or brooch, and the edges are determined in the first quadrant by these two curves. So 0 to root 2, so this must be root 2 here, and then root 2 to 2, so this is going to be the arc cosine curve, and this will be the arcsin curve. And the question's asking us to find the area of the brooch correct to 1 decimal place. So I'm going to take this area here and times it by 4. And it will be the integral from 0 to root 2 of this one, plus the integral from root 2 to 2 of this one. And that's going to give me the area between the curve and the x-axis. So this is double check to find out which one's which. So menu, main, we have 3, inverse sine of x on 2, and that is for 0 to root 2. So that's 3 given 0x root 2. And we have 3 inverse cosine x root 2 and given root 2. And I might open up a window and I might go from 0 to, I want to go to the other side too, so 3, and from 0 up to high, so maybe up to 3. And I take all of this with the restricted included, so that's not a straight line, it's actually that line. And oh, let's get rid of a bit of that. Keyboard given root 2, and let's get out of the inequality sign. That's better. And this one here. Okay, that's beautiful. So I'm looking for analysis G-solve integral under this curve, except that one. I'm looking for 0 through to root 2. And that area is going to be 1.57. Since it's 1 decimal place. And then I'm looking for analysis G-solve integral, except the next one, yep. And that's going to be from root 2 to the power of 0.5 across to 2. And that's nice, that's going to be that. And execute, and that gives me that answer, and I'll times it by 4. That gives me that answer, which is 9.9411, roughly 9.9 centimeters squared. And I'm now going to put for my method marks the inverse sine of x on 2 dx, plus from root 2 to 2, 3, the inverse cosine of x on 2 dx, and times it all by 4 gives me my total area. I'm very surprised that in 2017 that was a 3-mark question, given that you could have done it all on calculator by shading areas.